Hello and welcome everyone to the Gold and Silver Club end of week commodity report, the non-members edition for the 13th of May 2016, presented by myself, Phil Carr, at the Gold and Silver Club. So today we will be analysing, of course, the latest developments in the commodity markets. We'll be providing you with a wrap-up of the week's events. The session will be covering commodity insights, so a snapshot of the latest developments, our top trade of the week using our exclusive research-driven strategies, and of course a weekly market wrap, so an end-of-week market summary and highlights for the week ahead. So let me introduce you first to the Gold and Silver Club. The Gold and Silver Club is the #1 commodities trading and investment coaching company. We're regarded as the go-to authority on commodities trading, and as internationally respected experts, our analysis and our opinions on the metals, the energies and the agricultural markets, they're routinely sought by major financial television channels and publications which include Bloomberg, Reuters, CNBC, the Financial Times, the Wall Street Journal. Our team of experts has trained and mentored over 100,000 private traders from all over the world to increase their wealth and generate substantial income through commodities using our exclusive research-driven strategies. So for more information on the Gold and Silver Club and our expertise, please do go ahead and visit our website, which is at www.thegoldandsilverclub.com. Now, moving over to Commodity Insights, will provide you with a snapshot of the latest developments in the market. So we've seen again another surge in oil this week. We've broken out yet again to 2016 highs. This is the highest level since November 2015. In fact, at the moment, oil is currently sitting at $47 per barrel and 74 cents, and it's getting very close again to breaching those swing highs from 2016. So what we're looking for here is the potential for another leg up here on the oil market. Technically, we've got a very key level of resistance that if we breach that level, we've got a clear run up to the $50 level, which is about a $2 to $2.50 move on the chart right now. So we're definitely watching oil very closely. So if you have a look at the chart at the moment on the screen, you will see very clear upward trending channels so far this year. In fact, the move that we've seen over the course of 2016, since we hit the lows at the end of January, we've seen oil up over 75% from the 2016 lows. We've seen Brent surging up to $48 per barrel and West Texas Intermediate WTI crude oil soaring to $47 a barrel. Again, the highest levels since November 2015. India has now overtaken China as the main growth market for oil. So they've replaced China as the main growth market. You can have a look at that on the charts. The IEA sees global oil supply will exceed demand in the first half of 2016 by an average of 1.3 million barrels per day due to robust demand from India and also the emerging markets. Now, we actually published a report on the Indian oil demand 6 months ago and briefed all of our traders at the Gold and Silver Club that was one of the key reasons to remain long from $27 per barrel. So we've seen over a 2,000 point rally to the upside since we gave out that recommendation, since we provided that setup, the trade that we got into at the Gold and Silver Club, and shared it with all of our traders. The report we published on the Indian oil market, you can see it there, which briefed our private members as one of the key reasons to remain long from $27 per barrel. So as you can see, based on our research, we predicted that oil would hit $50 per barrel, and as a member of the Gold and Silver Club, you get access to our research with very specific buying, selling recommendations that give our traders an edge in the market and guarantee to boost their win rate on every single trade. So we'll move it over to a weekly market wrap and of course end of week summary and highlights for the week ahead. So as we go through the different markets, first of all you'll want to have a look definitely at oil. So oil is currently sitting at a major level of resistance. We've got the $48 per barrel level just overhead, and essentially what we're looking for is a breakout of this zone as we either head into the close today on Friday or as we head into next week. We are looking to break above that level, close above that level, and we will be looking for a clean run up to $50 US dollars per barrel, which has been our prediction at the Gold and Silver Club. That is the key level of resistance that we are next looking to target. You've got a V-shaped reversal pattern. You've also got a very strong trend channel in place now, which has actually been in place since we bottomed out right at the end of January. We've continued to create higher swing lows, higher swing highs, and the next level that we're looking really to get a nice breakout trade from is going to be the 48 US dollars per barrel level. Now, for those of you who caught Monday's session, you will have noted that soybeans, we identified a breakout trade on soybeans over the course of the week, which I will actually go over with you very shortly as we have a look at the top trades of the week. You can see here that we did get that breakout that we were looking for. We had a breakout above key resistance of the USDA report on Tuesday, and what a move that we got on that. On the breakout trade that we took, you saw over a 500-point breakout. Now, this was a trade that we were already in. We discussed the positions that we continue to be in ahead of the USDA reports. This was a long-term position that we continue to be in on soybeans, and we saw lovely follow through on that trade. So we continue to break out. We've now broken out to 2-year highs here on soybeans, and at the close of the week here, we're essentially closing. It looks like we're going to get a close above the previous week's highs here, and we're building up again. We've penetrated above a major level, and we're building up again a much stronger base for potentially much higher prices as the year progresses here. In fact, soybeans overall now 22% soybeans is up year to date, and that ranks it alongside gold as one of the best performing commodities so far this year. So well done to those of you who did catch that trade. And in fact, on that note, I will go through with you our top trade of the week using the Gold and Silver Club signature exclusive research-driven strategies. Our top trade of the week was, of course, soybeans, which we exited for 680 points profit following on from Tuesday's USDA report. That was the catalyst that we needed for that breakout to the upside, and we banked a nice little windfall, 680 points. In fact, we saw over a 500-point surge to the upside on that trade, a position that we continued to be in prior to that report, and we had our stop loss moved into a position where that was actually a free running trade, so we couldn't lose on that trade. And that is the beauty of the way that we trade at the Gold and Silver Club. Now, I will just do a quick recap for you because we did highlight this position to you. So on the Monday report, we showed you and demonstrated that soybean net long positions were at their highest on record in 2 years. So soybean prices, they surged into a bull market last month, and hedge funds, they expected more gains ahead, and they increased their net long positions to a massive 167,554 lots, and that was the highest level on record since April 2014. So I'm sure you can imagine, if you have this level of data which is available to you as a trader day in, day out, you're getting access to this level of research. That gives you really the ultimate edge in the market with these recommendations. It really guarantees to boost your win rate on every single trade. You can get access to this exact research along with our, of course, highly profitable trading ideas when you join us at the Gold and Silver Club via the live trading program. So if you would like access to our exclusive live trade ideas ready to implement for instant results, you can, of course, join us at the private members live trading room. So whether you're a new trader and you're looking to develop a solid understanding of the markets and really fast track your results, or if you're an experienced trader looking to take your trading to the next level, the private members live trading room, it's definitely for you. The private members live trading room, it includes exclusive weekly live trading room webinars. You get live trade setups ready to implement, real-time trade notifications so you do not miss any of our trades. You get exact details of where we are entering, exiting, placing our stop loss on each trade, live trade support to help you successfully through each trade, customized technical charts and indicators to boost your win rate, and also, of course, exclusive access to our proprietary trading research to give you the ultimate edge in the market. So if you would like to gain access to that, access to our exclusive private members live trading room, all you need to do is go to www.jointhegoldandsilverclub.com. Once you've completed the application form, we'll get in touch with you ASAP. So it's www.jointhegoldandsilverclub.com. And if you do have any questions at all, please feel free to get in contact with us at either our UK office, our US office, our Africa office, or our Asia office. Our UK office number is 0207 193 0403. Our US number is +1 646 808 0403. Our Africa office number is +27 11 083 8403. And our Asia office number is 852 8191 0403. And with that, I thoroughly look forward to working with those of you who will be joining us at the Gold and Silver Club.